Hi there, my name is Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner and a movement expert. And on my YouTube channel, I share videos of the exercises and the movement lessons that help improve your functions and athletic performance. And anyways, today's video, I'd like to show you one stretch exercise slash a self-massage using the foam roller. Okay, you've seen one of these before. If you don't have a foam roller, and you can use a couple blankets, and you're gonna roll it up, and then it's not as firm as the foam roller, but it still works. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my foam roller to show you the stretch, and this is going to help you help relieve some of the stress to your back, lower back, and your neck. So, if you're having some pain, discomfort in your neck or the low back, try this one and to see if this helps. This stretch I'm going to show you help relieve some of the stress and discomfort in your back or the neck. Okay, so quite simple, and I'm going to place the foam roller, and I'm going to lie down. Okay, so my bottom of the shoulder blade is going to be right on top of the foam roller, and then I'm going to, it is important to bend your legs up. Okay, you don't want to do it this way. It's going to just create too much stress to your low back, so you want to bend your legs. Okay, and then you want to support your head so you're not really overworking your neck muscles. Okay, put your hands and then support your weight, the weight of the head, and then let the weight, okay, of the head hang into your hands. Okay, so support all the weight of your head with your hands so you're not working your neck muscles. Okay, and then what you're going to do now is you're going to let the weight over your body, your upper body, your head, and sink down towards the floor. Make sure you don't hyperextend your head, okay, your neck. So keep your head supported, and then let the weight, let the gravity do the work for you. Allow your head and allow the chest to open up. Let the elbows open up as well. Okay. Then I take a few deep breaths. Okay, and then I'm going to lift my head up a little bit and give myself a break, and then I go repeat the same thing. So all I'm doing is I'm using the weight of my body, the weight, my chest, weight of my head and the chest, kind of go down towards the floor, and let that stretch your muscles, and that's it. Okay, and then I'm going to move the roller just a little bit higher. Okay, I wouldn't put it lower than the bottom of the shoulder blades, and that's going to create more extension through the low back, which is not really the point of this stretch. So goes up a little bit, and then same thing, support the weight of the head, let your head go down, and let your elbows open up, and feel the stretch, feel all the stretch, okay, through the chest, through the spine, mid-spine. Okay, take a few deep breaths. And come back up. Then we move it up just a little bit, 1 inch up. Repeat. Okay. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? That's all. Okay. So try this one, and if you don't have a foam roller, roll up a blanket, a couple of blankets, and then make a nice roller and place it starting at the bottom, at the base of the shoulder blades, and then try doing this stretch, couple breaths, and up. We can repeat it several times at the same spot, and then move the blanket up one couple inches up, and then do the same thing until the top of the shoulder blades, or slightly but the mid shoulder blades. And after that, and just to feel how your back feels, and just to see how your back feels and how your neck feels after that. If you feel that your neck is more strained after doing this stretch, that means you're holding your head and holding and just tightening your neck muscles to do that. So you really shouldn't feel the strain in your neck after you're done with this one. Or if you feel that your low back feels more strained after doing this stretch, then it possibly that you had the roller a little bit too low, or maybe you forgot to bend your legs up. So make sure you bend your legs up, and make sure your head is supported with your hands here, okay? And then so you're not overworking, overstraining your neck muscles. All right, and that's it. And I hope you like this exercise and stretch. And let me know what you think, okay? And then if you like this video, and please hit the like button. And then if you're new to this channel, and please subscribe. All right, well, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.